Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel and do subscribe the channel to see such a type of technical sums related to value addition more. Yes, here statement is given. In an economy, the following transactions takes place. Number 1, there are 4 firms, firm A, firm B, firm C and firm D. So let us prepare our format. Transactions will be here. Then number 1, transactions. Number 2, value of output. Number 3, value of intermediate consumption. Number 4, value added. Concept is based upon double counting. How we can avoid the problem of double counting? First of all, firm A, then firm B, firm C, and last one is firm D. We will calculate value addition by each firm. Actually, this is sales, purchase और ये value addition. Number 1, firm A. Firm A sales intermediate input for rupees 400 to B. Firm A number 1 sales to B worth rupees 400. Firm A sales to B, it means B purchase from A. B purchases goods worth rupees 400. Firm A's value of output and its firm B intermediate consumption. Next, firm B sells the manufactured goods worth rupees 400 to C. Firm B sales to C goods worth rupees 400. It means firm C purchase from B worth rupees 400. And for rupees 850 to households, firm B also sells to households goods worth rupees 850. So households are, there will be no account of households because it is final consumption for them. Then firm C sells its goods to firm D worth rupees 500. Firm C sales to D worth rupees 500. It means firm D purchases from C worth rupees 500. It is double entry system. One firm's sale and next firm's that would be considered as purchase. And lastly, firm D sells the goods for private consumption for rupees 850. Sales to private consumption worth rupees 850. So these are the value addition, and the value of intermediate consumption of A is 0. So this is the transaction of firm A, transaction of firm B, transaction of firm C and transaction of firm D. So let us calculate what is the value addition. Value of output minus value of intermediate consumption. Value added will be 400. Next, 1250 will be the total sale by firm B. 1250 minus 400 will be 850. Then 500 minus 400 is equal to 100, value addition by firm C, and the value addition by firm D is equal to 350. Now let us calculate how much value addition is by firm $1,700, and this is 0, 3,000, and the value of intermediate consumption, that is 1,300. So if we deduct 1,300 from 3,000, then we get 1,700 as value of output. So one logic is there. If we sum up all the value additions, then the answer will be 1,700. And if we deduct value of intermediate consumption from the value of output, then the answer will be 1,700. It means answer is correct. So in this way we can estimate value addition by all the different firms. So that's all regarding this sum. Thank you.